Today we'll be cleaning the filter in our Whirlpool Gold Series dishwasher. So you'll just want to open up the front door and pull out the bottom rack. And then you'll see here, this is your filter. So there's an unlock and a lock position. So you'll just unlock it by twisting and then you'll pull it out. You can see ours is very grimy. So you can see this is pretty nasty. So what I typically do is get hot water, and I use the sprayer, and you can spray off all the gunk. I'm going to take it one step further, get a little baking soda and some water, make a paste, and then I'm going to scrub the filter on the inside. Just want to make sure to use a soft brush when cleaning them, nothing hard because you don't want to damage the filter. And then I will go ahead and rinse again. Then I'm going to use a little vinegar and pour it over the top. And then scrub it a little bit more. And then I'll do one final hot rinse. Okay, and the next thing you're going to want to do is take out this filter, and it just pops out and slides. And you'll do the same thing with this filter. See, it's really grimy as well, so we'll go ahead and spray it off and then do the baking soda with the toothbrush to get rid of all the debris. Then you'll do another rinse. You can see that our dishwasher still has some grime left over. I'm going to take a paper towel and wipe that out. Really dirty. I'm going to remove the arm, the spray arm, and you just turn it counterclockwise and it will pop off. That way we can reach easily around the filter area and clean that off. You can see there's lots of gross. Okay, we'll first put this one back in, and that should click into place. Then we'll go ahead and put the filter back in, slide it around until it aligns, and then turn it so it's in the lock position and you won't be able to lift it up. And then another thing you'll want to check is make sure that your sprayer arms do not have any debris. You can clean those out as well. What we're going to do is just run some hot water through them. Just make sure there's no foreign objects. Just want to check each of the little holes to make sure they're clean. Good to go. We'll go ahead and put the sprayer arm back on. So you'll just slide it on and then twist till it clicks, and that's how you know it's locked into place. Another thing you can do is take off the other arms. You can see ours has some foreign objects, so we will go ahead and untwist that. You just twist it clockwise and it should pop off. You'll want to remove any dirt or debris. And then we'll do the same thing. We'll remove any debris and we will run hot water. You just want to make sure that none of these holes are clogged. You put the arm back on, slide it into place, and then turn counterclockwise to lock. It should click into place. That should be it. You'll want to do this on a regular basis. Just make sure that it's really clean so that your dishwasher is fully functioning. Thanks for watching Big Al Repairs. Hopefully you'll subscribe. Let us know if you have any requests for other videos.